Knowledge Bandara, an animated video presenting the world's best-selling books. Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are heading out on a super exciting road trip to Himavad Gopalaswamy Hills, Bandipura, Wayanad's Edakal Cave and the scenic Irupu Waterfalls, all in just 2 days. I'll share the stay cost, travel distance and entry fees. We started our journey from Bangalore and it's roughly 220 kilometers. We drove towards Gundlupete and stayed in Surabhi Lodge for 1300 rupees for 5 people. Next day morning, we headed straight to Himavad Gopalaswamy Hills. Little heads up on Himavad Gopalaswamy Betta. Private vehicles are not allowed here. Visitors have to take the government bus arranged by Karnataka State Transport from the foothills. The round trip bus ticket costs just 60 rupees per person. The first bus starts at 8:30 am and the last one here is at 4 pm. The temple here is dedicated to Lord Gopalaswamy, one of the forms of Lord Krishna. There is also Annaprasada facility for all the devotees. Since this place is part of Bandipura National Park, wild elephants are often spotted grazing around the area. The views from the top are absolutely stunning. Rolling hills and deep valleys. Catch a beautiful sunset if you are lucky in the evening. Just remember, trekking, picnicking or partying is strictly prohibited and visitors are advised not to go beyond the temple premises. After that, we headed towards Madumalai National Park towards Bandipura for the viewpoint safari. Unfortunately, since it was peak season, we could not get an evening safari slot. So we continued our journey to Wayanad. And stayed at Hotel Safa Palace just for 1200 rupees. Next morning, the foggy weather and the view from the hotel were just amazing, super calm and refreshing. From there, we went to Edakal Caves. As expected, there was a huge rush, but somehow we managed to get the entry tickets. On the way up, there is also a 12D show for just about 5 to 10 minutes, costing 100 rupees per person. And honestly, it was a great experience for the first timers. Reaching the caves takes about 30 minutes with a steep uphill walk and around 300 to 350 steps to climb. Once you reach the top, you will see ancient carvings of humans, animals, tools, and symbols that are still being studied. These carvings suggest that this place once had a prehistoric human settlement, which is really fascinating. After Edakal Caves, we headed to Love Lake, a heart-shaped man-made lake near Valanchery. It is just 20 km from Edakal Caves. This place was super peaceful, hardly anyone around, and we spent some relaxing time before heading back to the hotel. Next morning, we checked out and drove towards Irupu Waterfalls near Coorg, which is about 35 km from Wayanad. After a short 1 kilometer walk, we reached the waterfalls. There is also a trekking route here, but it was temporarily closed during our visit. Since it was December, the water was ice cold. We spent some time enjoying the falls and then started our journey back to Bangalore. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.